Hallo! Today a bit of a different video. As you may know, I'm not only growing plants to eat them, but also for their beauty. And actually these guys need lots of attention. I neglected them very badly. So today I will be doing repotting. They need new bigger pots. They also need some support. I will support them by using my new moss pools. And yeah, I hope you find it interesting. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Also, if you have no questions, just say hello. Let me know where you're watching from. But now, let's go. I've got three types of moss poles. They are all extendable, all different sizes. So basically very simple to connect, like this one here, that one as well, and this one, because of the bigger size, these ones are connected with the cable ties, or how they call it. Don't even know the proper name for them in English. Anyway, okay, I have done already some prep work, so I won't bother you with showing how I put the soil, the potting mix into the pots. So what I have basically done is I put some potting mix in here, and I have also put the moss pole up to basically pretty much up to the half of the pot to stabilize it. And I have also put the potting mix up to basically the height of the end of the top of the pot. And here I have filled it with the moss. So I will do the same with this one. Okay, now is the time for the plants to go in. So the first one here, this poor baby, look at it. So I usually, when I repot it, I just try to make it a little bit loose. So this one goes here. And at the beginning, before they put the roots into the moss balls, that's what the holes are for, I will support them with this simple strap. So that will do. And with the time, the plants will obviously put their roots into the holes of the moss ball, into the moss, and will look beautiful. Okay, now I have to put some soil in there. Okay, this one is done. Now the second one, moss in, potting mix in. Now this poor guy, which really looks horrible, this is the beautiful Philodendron gloriosum. Oh, that's good. Look, it was in real need of repotting. Let's put it in there. I will support it with the strip here. Hopefully you can see it. So soil in. All right. And I will support the leaves a little bit to help the plant to establish. And now the plant can grow up the moss ball. The third one now. And fill a little bit with more potting mix. That's it. Looking good. Now, my beautiful plant, poor baby, I will put the soil in there and then I will support it. All the air roots will get the chance to get into there, but we need to support them at the beginning. Okay, this one is done now as well. It looks a little bit tired and the leaves all over the place, but I guess after 1 to 2 weeks it will be beautiful. Okay, and the last one. That's really good fun actually, to play with the plants, and something I'm not very often having time for this kind of plants. So now it's a really good fun. Okay, now more potting mix. Plant, this one is long, and this is the philodendron micans. I don't know. I'm not that good with the ornamental plants with the names. Ask me about any edible plants and I tell you everything about it, but not about the ornamentals. Okay, baby, go in there. Now more potting mix. All right, nice and firm now, sitting really good. Now we need to organize the plant. These are very handy. The poles are nice and straight, but my table isn't. We can water the plants later on when they got their roots in there from above. We also have to water them from above too. But now because I have repotted it, so they also need a good drink in here. Okay, what do you think? I love it, and I'm sure the plants love it too. Let me know in the comments what you think, and yeah, and visit my online store. I have the moss poles available there, and also plants and seeds and some other good gardening stuff.